So I guess I have to do this a third time. I don't know what happened with whatnot and sound, so it was meant to happen this way. So it is. I'm liking the fact that somebody chose to voice their opinion about my cockiness. Wow. That person. Oh man, I like the 7 holes in your face, man. I'm envisioning being face palmed in all 6 directions. You know, of positive X, positive Y, positive Z, and negative Z. You know, that's that's what I see. So it doesn't like my cockiness. You want to see just how fucking cocky I can be? When you're getting your shit deleted from YouTube because maybe not copyright, but I broke some kind of contractual obligation that I apparently have with YouTube about the creation of videos. Yeah, this is truth, guy. So, cockiness. You fucking think I'm enjoying this? You fucking retard? Anyways, I noticed a pattern with the 0, 1, and V. In order to create the 5, you need to know about third dimension. Okay, third dimension has 7 numbers. 2 to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 7 numbers, guys. 9 is not a number, it's the most powerful number. Think of it that way, it's the most powerful number. 9 is a depiction of balance between a 0 and a 1. 9's cancel in any number because it's balance, guys. It doesn't need to be there. Sometimes it needs to be there. It all depends if you're looking at it in terms of self, galaxy, or universe. Now, 0 and 1 are not numbers. They are the building blocks of all of creation and the third-dimensional reality. In order to create the 5, okay, you need 4. Okay? Now, 4 what? I didn't say if it's 4 zeros or 4 ones, but it's in the same row. Because we're in the 1 column, let's just say they're 4 ones. Now, if we put 4 ones together coming off of a zero, a singularity, okay, it's the same thing as depicting 4 dots, and the circle gets bigger. Okay? Circle 4 is 5, guys. That's how you create that. And how you create the next one. Okay, so you always have to create, so n plus 1 is equal to n, the thing before it, plus some other stuff. So the thing before it plus 2 times n minus 1. 2 times 4. So for that, we gotta flip the page. I'm fucking cocky. No, I'm fucking angry, and I don't like being censored. And I'm smart. N plus 1 is equal to n plus 2 times n minus 1. So if the 5 is now your new 1, your new singularity, okay? If you're gonna have a 5, which we depicted as this, encircled, okay? It's a singularity. Let's just depict it as a dot. Now, if you take 2 4s, now 4s of what? Zeros or 1s? I think it's both, guys. It's the duality of life in the third dimension. So when you have n equals 5 as a singularity in the middle, and you add 2 sets of 4, in terms of 4 dots and 4 lines, that becomes the 13. Okay. Put that in your equation. Now let's solve for n plus 2. n plus 2 is equal to n plus 1 plus n minus 1. It's equal to every line that was created before it. Okay? So I'm talking about n plus 2 is equal to n plus 1 plus 3n. Sorry. Thing before it times 3 of the base. Now this is a depiction of a circle. Because it gets bigger, guys. It's no longer a circle, it's a sphere. So n plus 2 is equal to the thing before it, but now instead of a dot, we're going to look at it in terms of a line in a circle form, guys. The n plus 1 of dot is circle. So n plus 2 is equal to circle plus 3 times n, or 5. Now, why did I say that? Well, it's quite simple, because your new circle, which is actually a sphere, is going to need 3 5s or 3 v's. There's a v, there's a v, and there's a v. Okay? Your x, let's say, or whatever, your y, and then the other one. Like, whatever. These planes. 13 plus 15 is 28. 28 is n plus 2 of God. Okay? You know, anyways, it's twice 14. Okay? And then back to here with all the depictions now, and then your 50, your n plus 3 is equal to everything that was created before it. Okay? N plus 1, n, and n minus 1. Okay? So, I don't even care anymore, guys. I'm really upset. It sucks. It's your 50 magnets for each wheel. It's your, like, this is the right scale. Anyways, I don't know, it's been a weird day, guys. Cheers. Like, when am I gonna go to work on Monday? Pretend everything's fine. You know, go do my job, go home, eat, sleep, wake up and repeat. After I know this, and you think I'm cocky? You think I have some problem? I'm gonna get a lot of hate, and that's fine. I'm gonna get a lot of... If this takes off like I think it should, it's gonna create a lot of chatter, and that chatter is gonna have both sides, guys, and it's gonna have a lot of ignorance, and I'm gonna have to deal with a lot of ignorant people. Because they don't think that this is truth, guys. Yeah. Well, those people are idiots, okay? I was once an idiot. Now I'm only king of the retards, guys. The meek will inherit the earth. The controllers are going to lose their wealth, and they're going to have to be forced to help out the little guys, guys. That's all I want. Balance for all. Equality for everyone. Wow, guys. It's called evolution. You closed mind, soulless beings. Yeah, it's pretty hard, eh? I can see why people don't like to comment. Negativity and judgment is not constructive. And I will defend myself with my freedom of speech. Although I may be too intelligent for most, and they might find that offensive. No. C'est la vie, guys.